Learn Chinese, there are two types, traditional and simplified Chinese.
Traditional Chinese has more strokes, used in Taiwan and some other places.
Easy to connect character shapes with their meanings.
Rich in culture, full of stories, roots and history always shining.
If you enjoy culture, roots and beauty, traditional may be your journey.
Start with traditional Chinese, take your time. Traditional helps you read simplified.
Feel the beauty in every line.
Simplified Chinese has fewer strokes, easier to use and faster to write.
Widely used in China and many places.
Easy to find online,
Used by over 1 billion people.
but sometimes less intuitive in their character forms.
Learn Chinese, come and say, speak it out and give it a try. Learn a little every day. Traditional and simplified, try them both side by side. Learn Chinese, sing along, one by one, line by line. Feel the words and make them shine.